Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will discuss how to run Neobias Learner in KNIME. Neobias is a popular machine learning algorithm used for classification tasks. It's based on the Bayes theorem and makes an assumption that the features used for classification are conditionally independent, which means that the presence or absence of one feature does not affect the presence or absence of any other feature. In practice, NeoBIAS is commonly used for text classification, spam detection, and other similar tasks where the assumption of conditional independence of features may hold reasonably well. This assumption allows the algorithm to be computationally efficient and works well on large data sets. We can build new bias classifier where we have a data set of emails labeled as spam or ham, which can automatically classify incoming emails as spam or ham. Now, how we can develop this model? Let's see in KNIME. So for this, we will go in the canvas of KNIME. First of all, we will activate input output from here. I've activated the CSV reader node as my dataset is in CSV format. So part 1 is my dataset. Please press open, click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. So the target variable is a heart disease, and the independent variables are resting blood pressure, age, cholesterol, and maximum hours of exercise. They all are on different scales. We'll activate the column filter from here so that we can select the variables which are our matter of interest. Right click on it and configure. Transfer age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, and the heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the filter table. So now our dataset consists of only those variables from which the model has to be developed. Activate the decision tree learner, not the decision tree, new bias learner. New bias learner from here. Right click on it and configure. Make sure that the heart disease is our target variable. Default probability, you maintain what is default. Don't change any settings. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see here the view new badge learner. So it will give me the Gaussian distribution for age per class value, Gaussian distribution for cholesterol per class value, Gaussian distribution for maximum HR per class value. So mean, standard deviation, and rate will be given. Again, right click on it and click on statistics table. We will never get any model like regression or logistic regression. We will not get any equation in new bias learner. So straightforward, we have to start using the new bias predictor for prediction purpose. So this is all about new bias learner in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME.